My name is Sadek. I am the Chief Executive of UK Regeneration, which is the agency which is formed to push the cause of urban regeneration up and down the country. And I'm thrilled to be back in my old stamping ground, which is Stratford. I've been working in Stratford for nearly 3 decades on regeneration schemes, some of which of course have come to some fruition, but nothing of the scale or the magnificence that we now see in front of us. But behind me, my goodness, what's going on there? The Olympics, obviously, Westfield Shopping Centre, but probably even more kind of thrilling from my point of view is a great office development, which will be, I think, in 20 years' time, a place to rival Canary Wharf. The agents believe in it, the market believes in it, occupiers believe in it, and I think it's going to happen. So I think you're beginning to see a real renaissance of Stratford, and that's a wonderful thing to see. I love the community down in Green Street, where you can get all sorts of fabrics from the Indian subcontinent. The idea of marrying that with European fashion and having a place where creative industries, fashion industries come together with entrepreneurs, smaller micro businesses, small businesses, a kind of place where you can exchange views and ideas. And the idea of tapping into that rich mix of culture and adding to it with European fashion, I think, is dynamite. One of the things I think that we've got to start getting right in regeneration is that kind of aggregation, if you like, of creative industries with education, with jobs, with homes, and with creating a place that people want to be. One of the things you learn in urban regeneration is that what you always need is places where people can meet and exchange views and ideas and trade. And one of the great things about the Fashion Hub, I think, is this idea that there will be this neutral space. There will be incubator units, there will be small spaces where people can come together. There will be obviously the obvious coffee bars and exhibition spaces and a real hub for people of a like mind to come together. I cannot begin to tell you how much of an impetus that will give to this development and how much it will humanise it, actually, which is probably one of the most wonderful things to come out of it. Couldn't commend the project more. I think it's very well footed, it's very rooted through its local community, the diversity here. I think you'll find a huge amount of support for it locally, and I have to say, I think everything augurs well for its success. It complements what's going on in the rest of the place, and I think we may finally, after 3 decades, have put Stratford really seriously and truly on the map, meeting its potential, a real hub in every sense of the word.